Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Have you ever noticed how your worries can steal your peace? We sometimes find ourselves getting up in the morning and we are already thinking about tomorrow, thinking about the things that can go wrong, thinking about the bills that are coming, and many more. And before we know it, the load of worries that we carry, they are too heavy for us to handle. You see, God has not designed us to carry all those fears and worries, but instead, He is inviting us to cast all those worries and burdens unto Him, because He doesn't want His children to keep those worries in their heart. And let's accept that some challenges are not ours to handle. Some are for God's hands. So when we let go into God's hands, here you will find freedom. Peace will start to enter in your heart. So dear brothers and sisters, I want you to remember this. Worries doesn't change your situation. It only drains your energy. But prayer doesn't change your situation immediately, but it can change how you feel while you are waiting. In Philippians 4, verse 6, it is said, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, present your request to God." Hope this helps, and thank you for joining me today. To God be the glory.